What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Trading Simplified. Today, we are looking at the biggest market debut in history, SpaceX. Whether you are looking to add this to your long-term portfolio or you're ready to scalp the volatility, we're breaking it down. SpaceX is officially trading under the ticker SPCX, and we're looking at a massive trillion-dollar valuation, major AI pivots, and a business model that is as complex as the rocket science behind it. Let's get into the data. First, the numbers. When you pull this up on Fidelity, don't just look at the price action, check the volume. This is where institutional money is fighting for position. We are seeing massive retail interest, which shows us sentiment is sky high. But remember, high sentiment often means high volatility. Current, the stats show a company in hyper growth mode. Keep an eye on those earnings reports because for a company this size, the market is looking for sustainability in their satellite and AI infrastructure, not just the hype of the launch. Let's look at the analyst consensus. You'll see a mix of buy and hold and notice the price targets. When comparing SPCX to other aerospace or even tech giants, you have to ask, are we paying for the rocket or are we paying for the AI compute infrastructure? Many analysts are split, so don't just follow the crowd. Use the comparison tab on your dashboard to see how this compares to your other tech holdings in terms of volatility and beta. All right, so let's get into the charts of what you really want to see. SpaceX was a pre-IPO at 135. It opened up around noon at $150 per share. It blasted up all the way to $176 per share. We were live streaming this for everybody to see, and now we've consolidated, found support at 157, and sitting around 166 in the after hours. Where do you think this is going to go on Monday? For those of you that are new to the channel, definitely check out the WAP in the description below. If you choose to join the WAP, you have three products. You can either join the live community where you can directly chat with us 24/7. You can join the Blueprint Beginner to Strategy right here if you want to learn how to day trade. And you also get one-on-one trading sessions if you're interested in that. So definitely check that out. When you join the community, you gain access to the announcements, the Start Here tab, weekly stock levels, swing trade ideas, educational stock trade ideas, my personal portfolio, the wall of wins where you get to see, and most importantly, the direct chat where you get to directly chat with everybody. If you do the blueprint, you will be able to gain access to the My Day Trading Strategy and my beginners courses if you are interested in learning how to day trade or long-term invest or swing trade. That is all here for you. Definitely come check it out and just leave me a comment. I'll answer your questions.